Alright, good morning everybody. So we are back here on the basement job this morning. So we got HVAC coming to fix where we popped the nail in. We still got to pop that run and that run off. And yeah, so that way we can get that fixed, recharged, and then we can finish the ceiling in here. And we are going to be working on this bedroom over here. We want to get it ceiling in.
I did. We got holes in nobody last.
So we're gonna get the ceiling done in here and ready. And then we are going to venture out into here and get that done. Clayton is getting the rolly cart ready so they can stand on it. I'm gonna be cut guy, and today we're using the iPhone to film with because I filmed a couple clips in the last couple videos with my phone, and I feel like it is way more clearer than my original GoPro I used there. So we're gonna give this a shot. Switch back over to the GoPro. Started time lapse off there with the iPhone. It didn't look very good. I didn't think previewing it. But we got the ceiling all done. Wire stub down for a ceiling fan. Over here, we're gonna have to build a special box just the way vents are. But now we will be moving on to this room, I believe. So, I don't know. We'll catch you up here in a few. Alright, so we got the power peeled for here. And Zach's putting the first piece up. We got our wire ran for our can lights. So, we'll be putting can lights up as we go. So yeah, this is a little bit better shot. You can see all of it because we had to move the saw inside because it started raining and we were doing all our cutting out here. Good old spring, or not spring, fall. But well, I'm gonna throw you guys up here and we are going to get after it. We've pretty much got this whole side ran. We got all the can lights in on this side, and they work. That's a good thing. So we got a few rows left to run there, and we gotta run down that support beam there. And that'll be a wrap for this side. All right, we're closing in. We got this side done for the most part. And we got the air fixed, the line set fixed. We had to go get some R22. And let me tell you, every HVAC company will not charge a full line set that's R22. So that was interesting to find out, but we got one. And luckily enough, I knew one of the HVAC companies, and they come out and did it for me and used my stuff, because a lot of times they won't use their own stuff. So yeah, that was a little bit interesting, but we're starting to narrow down to the end of the day. We're gonna get this wrapped up and call it a day. So I will catch you guys back here tomorrow morning to run some more car siding. Hopefully by the end of the day tomorrow, we'll have it all ran, other than yeah, we're gonna have it all ran, so that'll be good. So we will catch you guys tomorrow. All right, well, we're back out here this morning. I don't know what all I showed the end of the day yesterday, but we got the line set fixed. That's all good to go. Now we're basically ready to start on this room ceiling to finish it out, and the bathroom. So we got a little bump down there left to do, and then we can move on to either in here or the bathroom. So we will catch up with you guys here in a few. I know once we get this bump down, we're gonna do a little bit of cleanup. Alright, well, I didn't get any filming, but we're pretty much wrapped up for the day. So we got that across there done. Yeah, there's a gap, but trim's gonna hide that. So we got all the ceiling done other than the bathroom and this little section here, but we're running pretty low on our car siding. We only have little piles left. And we figured we'd go ahead and get the floor ran, because this is left over from what we had from the other job. So that way I know if I need to order some more or not, but it looks like
freaking close.
Looks like definitely I'll have to order more. So yay.
The bad part is it's probably finished this floor, but won't finish that floor.
Right. Well, I got 3 pieces sitting over in there, so.
I won't finish that floor either.
No, we're gonna have to get like
3 boxes, 2 boxes.
not even a box will do it.
Probably.
But we've got everything cleaned up out here. So yeah, we got all the tools out of here because we're back to the other job next week. So we still got ceiling left in here. Can't really see, we don't have temporary lighting in there. We'll put a temporary bulb up in there. And we got this little bit of floor, the ceiling's done. We gotta build a funky bump down right there. And that floor. So, yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for this one, so. Yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.